And Rima, please hang in there. We're also being joined by Sarabjit Kaur Nangra, the VP of Research at Angel Broking. Thanks, Sarabjit, for joining us in CNBC TV 18. I've also got Rima with me. A big profit warning that's coming in from HCL Tech. They've also said things are not going well with a public services client. They've set aside $20 million. How are you reacting to this?
Definitely it's negative news because normally HCL Tech has been is one of the leading players in the industry, but I guess it's because of the currency. So more number closely to be watched out in IT that we are also watching nowadays is volume numbers. So I guess it's a quarterly effect wherein currency is playing out, but the bigger negative is the news. I think that they are talking about a client-specific issue. I think probably that is more worrying than currency, because currency is something which keeps on fluctuating quarter on quarter. So I think I'll be looking out for volume numbers more closely when the results come out. So
Sarabjit, this $20 million provision that they will be making, where will it come in the P&L? Will it be directly impacting the profits?
I think so. It will be taken as an expense, as per my reading is so far as of now. So I guess that will definitely reflect in terms of profitability, definitely.
What was your own assessment of what the currency impact will be on the top line in the number?
We are at as of now we have not finalized our quarterly numbers with respect to currency, but I guess volume numbers we are looking at a robust number coming, and I think if HCL disappoint over there, then probably there will be a cause of concern.
Sarabjit, before I hand it back to Rima, I just have a quick question. If you have HCL Tech coming out with a profit warning and saying currency headwinds is one of the issues, would you expect other IT companies to also come out and say that? Because currency headwinds is something all the IT companies have to face with, or do you think it's primarily because things have gone sour with one client? What I'm trying to ask is, are you expecting similar warnings from other IT companies?
Yeah, because this is, as I indicated earlier, it's more of a macro issue. It's not something company specific. The company specific issue is the client specific issue that they pointed out. So I guess definitely it is something which will bother industry also, and in some extent because there is a sharp depreciation happen vis-a-vis dollar, and so that will as a currency will impact, but I guess the volume growth, how it comes out, that will be another factor to look out. And secondly, in terms of how every individual company is exposed vis-a-vis currencies will also play a role as to which company will be impacted significantly, and which are the companies which will though will be impacted not so greatly. So I guess in that category Infosys should be least impacted, and others should be impacted to minimum to maximum amount actually.
Sarabjit, coming back to HCL Technology, while we take your point that the volume growth is more important, just trying to ascertain whether the currency impact of 80 basis points is more than what the analyst community had factored in.
No, I think it's more or less in line, because I think it's more or less factored in actually. I don't think there is something significantly disappointing apart from the client issue. That's what I've been saying. Then client issue is something which is more significant.
So of the two factors, currency and client specific, currency is largely priced in and expected by the street. It's the client which is coming as a big negative and will spook the street.
That's my call on the stock as of now.
Would you change your assessment of HCL Technology because of this particular development? What kind of an EPS impact would it have? A $20 million hit?
See, 20 million wouldn't have that a great impact, but definitely there will be some pruning of the numbers. But I guess, see, IT Pack as a whole per se is not significantly done anything great shakes in comparison to other export-oriented stocks actually. So as far as rating is concerned, currently I have buy to accumulate in most of the stocks in IT sector. So I guess that rating would not significantly change because of this development.
Okay, Sarabjit, we'll leave it at that. Nayantara, with that, it's back to you.
Right, thanks, Rima. Thanks, Sarojit, for joining us with that breaking news. So that's a big profit warning coming in from HCL Tech, and Angel Broking of the view the client issue, the things turning sour with the client, is a bigger issue than the currency headwinds. We're going to take that and a lot more forward on markets today. We have to say goodbye to this edition of After the Bell. Thanks for watching.